Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aswad Anfal Fatir bin Azaman, student ID 2021610554 from group E30. Lecture names Puan Nawal binti Abdul Razak. First of all, you must go to your Google and go to Google Apps at the top of the right. You click and find the sheets. After that, you can see blank, attendance, gradebook, annual financial data, city bike analysis, NCA tournament, and the others. Now, we will start from the blank. So, first of all, we must change the title at the top left. After change title, you must create a table before create a chat.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
After fulfill the table with the value, you can create a border for all this information. First, you must click at the A1 and select all this information until G6 and click at the borders and choose all borders. After that, we can create a chart. To create a chart, we must select from A1 until G6. After that, we can click at the insert chart. The suitable chart will generate automatically. So the chart that generate is stat area chart. We also can change the chart type depend on our use. We can change chart to the line chart or combo chart or column chart or pie chart. There are many chart you can see there. So feel free to expose them. So based on the information, I think the best chart we can use is the column chart. Okay, after that, we can customize. We can click the customize.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So, thank you for watching this video. I hope my video can help you in making a lot of things. Do not forget to like and share. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.